You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase once and for all correctly, which is the motto of North Carolina, the state in the United States, meaning to be rather than to seem. A Latin phrase. The Latin pronunciation, esse quam videri, esse quam videri, which is why in English this is normally pronounced as esse quam videri, esse quam videri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.